your dad.
Hi Dad, happy birthday. You're looking as young as ever. Of course, my birthday wish is continued happiness, good health. You are surrounded by people that love you and care for you. So we're just celebrating each day, and of course, we're so happy to be here, and let's party tonight.
At yan, sing along time. Si Diego, syempre anak ni Monching and Lotlot. Yan, kakanta siya. Pinagkakagulan si Pinoy, si Senator Robin, habang kumakanta si Diego. Yasen, yan, your birthday message for Tito Eddie and Luis also.
Tito Ed, Assalamualaikum. Alam niyo po, kapag nakikita ko kayo, buhay na buhay ang aking pagka-Elvis. Kaya ako po ay masayang-masaya na ngayon po ay birthday niyo po. Ang aking pong dasal sa Panginoon ay mas lalo pa pong gumami pa ang birthday para po lagi natin naaalala si Elvis. Mabuhay ko!
Go Carla! Yan. Galing talaga ni Carla. Yan. Kumanta si Tito Eddie yan.
You are my one and only. You are the Queen of the South. You are the mother of my children. Thank you so much. Ikaw talaga ang nagplano nito. Kakunjaba mo si James. Thank you so much. And Rufa, thank you also. Alam kong ikaw ang in charge sa mga kaibigan mo, mga bisita natin. Kayong dalawa ni Annabelle. So thank you all for coming. I love all my friends here. I love you all. Thank you so much. Thank you. Gabi Concepcion! Where are you?
Sweet. Lalo si Senator Robin. Ang sweet na.
Hindi ko kasi sabi sa akin.
Si CJ. CJ.
My birthday wish for my dad is good health, happiness, and more success in everything he does. Happy birthday, Dad. I love you.
Fine, your birthday message for Tito Eddie.
Yeah, Tito Eddie, thank you so much for the love na binibigay mo sa akin at sa mga anak ko. Regular kasing dumadalaw sa bahay nila Rufa, yung mga kids ko, and pag nakikita si Tito Eddie, sobrang sweet daw. So, thank you so much, and good health for you, Tito Eddie, and we love you always. Thank you so much na parang pamilya. Kapamilya na namin ng mga Gutierrez. Thank you so much, Tito Eddie. Happy birthday. And good health for you. More love, peace, and happiness. God bless you. We love you.